Hey friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So you might have clicked this video because you wanted to learn on how to view and save passwords in Microsoft Edge. So friends, you might want to save time by not typing your long complicated passwords during your sign in into particular websites. So just like here on my desktop, you will be able to enable that using your Microsoft Edge. So stay tuned in this video because this video tutorial is for you. So the very first thing that we have to do is to open your Microsoft Edge and then click this three dot on the upper right corner. Then click settings and you will be directed in here. So under your profiles, you might want to click on passwords and then here in settings. So now let's scroll down and go on into the passwords section. So now as you can see in here, I am not making or I'm not using the benefits of the passwords section, which is the saved passwords, the autofill passwords and passkeys, the scan for leaked passwords, reveal passwords, and also suggest strong passwords. So now I'm going to enable them one by one so that I'll be able to enjoy the benefits of what they can offer. So now you will be able to allow Microsoft Edge to save your password so that whenever you sign in into an account or you're going to sign in into a particular website, then they will offer the saved passwords in here. They will notify you if you wanted to click on that. There are also an autofill passwords and passkey. You just have to choose from these options in here. Make sure to read them carefully. And also you might not want your passwords to be leaked. So Microsoft Edge will check your passwords that are saved so that you will be protected, and Microsoft Edge will give you an alert if a match is found. So now we also have here the show the reveal password button in password fields. So there will be an eye icon, and if you're going to click that eye, you will be able to reveal the passwords and also the suggest strong passwords, because having strong passwords will help you so that your account will not be hacked or whatsoever. So now let's now go here in the password section. So as you can see in here, I have one saved password. So let's click this one. So now I'm just going to put my administrative PIN so that I'll be able to access this. So now as you can see in here with my account how to fix guides at gmail.com, I have here my saved password so that I will not be able or I will not forget them completely. So this is what I am saying, the eye icon, in which it will help you to show the password so that you will not forget the password that you have created. So I'm not going to click this one. I don't want to risk giving you my password with this one. So I'm just showing you on how you can take the full benefit of this viewing and saving the password on your Microsoft Edge. So that's all for today's video tutorial. So if you like this video, please give us your thumbs up. And if you find this video helpful for you, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be updated on our new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.